silence, let these hollows change them. Bullets I sling them, we don't shoot from far, we get up close and bang them. I think we flame them, think we face the ranger, we turn the boys to angels. Them I can talk that shit cause we been laughing from the start. I ain't gon' lie about my rec, go extra streets, I made a mark. He try to run, I put that iron to him like my name Tony Stark. These 223s, they burn like acid, start the can.
What's up YouTube? We back at it with another video. Today we finna put on the new Nitto tires. I did the backs back then, but now we got the new ones for the back and the front. The car won't rake as much and we're gonna get a better driving experience. Like the tires are gonna grip the road better and all that. So let me show you the tires. Here go the Mustang right here. Here go the tires. As you can see, they all came in. It took about like a week for them to come in. I got the 305s for the back and I got 275s for the front. So we're finna load these up in the car and we're gonna be on our way. And as you know, we're finna go ahead and get this cold start because like we always go with a cold start, bro. Gotta get it. Yup. Alright, while the Mustang warm up, we're finna look at the car. We got the tint done. I should have dropped that video like up here. So make sure y'all watch that video. And yeah, the car looked a whole lot better with the tint. It's like now you can't see nothing in the front. Got the 40% on the front, 15 on the sides. Well, it's 15 all around, but yeah. So, all right, I'm finna load up the car and we're finna get on the road. All right, we got the wheels loaded up on the truck and we're headed to Walmart to get them put on. They only charge about like $29 per wheel, so it shouldn't be that much. So I'm gonna turn it back on when we're closer down the road. Alright, YouTube, we almost there. We like 5 minutes away, about to pull up. The car been rotting like really rocky so far. Like I can hear like pieces of the tire and whatever, but I'm gonna show you why right quick. So roll the clip. That's why the tires are so beat right now, because like, going crazy. I had to like just go ahead and finish off the tires. They was already going bald just from me like racing and like doing pulls and all that, but I had to just finish them out. So we finna get these put on, and yeah, the car really right now it's like slanted like a rake, but hopefully we like level out with the bigger tires in the front. So yeah, bro got the weird truck pulling out of cars. That man got the custom pink on there. But finna pull in, see how much it costs. Probably gonna be like, I think it's gonna be like 120. No, 29. It's like 50 something, like 50, 62 maybe. I don't know. I'll put it in. I like, yeah, maybe 100 or something. All right, we made it. We're finna go ahead and check in. The tires are 8. This is how they look. Fog. You can see a little trail, but this right tire is where is it? It's 8. All through here. All that was falling off. But yeah. All right, my boy Eric. Appreciate it for the truck work, sir. You gotta get you a truck friend. Always on standby. Got the tires right here. Yep. All right, they taking this thing in there now. Yep. Hopefully it's done. It don't take that long, so yeah. Hopefully it don't take too long, so we're gonna look around. What y'all see? That's what you want? What kind are they?
Those are Nittos.
Which one are Nittos? I can't tell.
I know, you can't read it.
Bro, I ain't looking at it. I'm just looking up. So which ones would you get out of these? The third one? Boy, I don't know what he wants. Boy, if you don't get... Alright, they got it up. Finna put the tires on. And hopefully it's good. Alright, we finna check out his truck today. Alright, what all you got done, Eric?
I got 312s and a 5K watt amp.
How much is the amp right here?
5K watts.
How big is this right here? The head?
It's a 12.
12. All right, let's hear the joint thump. Okay then, boy. It just sound right. That man got that bass build. Alright, I'm gonna give it a good smooth 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
She get hot.
Yeah. See, I'll give you a 10 if you was making a plastic shake, but not the plastic, but like the sides. I couldn't see it on the camera. Turn it back up. Let's see. I don't see it shaking, bro.
Shake right here.
Or I don't see it shaking, twin. What's that? I know you ain't got no DVD player.
Leave me alone.
Bruh. Let's see what kind of pictures we get here. YouTube. We can see it's like more clearance right here. It doesn't look as low, but we got the 275s in the front. We got 305s in the back. Bro, my wheel gap is still so big on there. Look weird. Bro, it would start raining too. Yeah, we got the tires on. Ready. Alright, the car, it rides a lot higher now. So I like that. And now I might be able to like fully lower my car with like lowering springs now. Cause like, it's like monster truck height right here. And like you can see a little bit more air in here. Like, it still seems low. So, not that sure. But, got the tires on, full Nitto. And they matching, so gotta get some flicks in this, with this, not in it, but if you know what I mean. All right, we on the road now. The car is riding way better. It's not making them like popping sounds or whatever with the like tires hitting us. And yeah, I was gonna get a run in with a scat tonight, but it started raining and the ground like wet, so probably just gonna wait till another day. I should be going to a car meet, so it might be a video soon, so just stay tuned for that. And yeah. Alright, YouTube, that's it for the video so far. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and make sure to stay tuned for more videos, because like I'm dropping them fast. So stay tuned, be ready, and hopefully I get a race soon with the Mustang or the BMW, but either one is cool because I got my full setup right here. I can't really be in the Mustang going too fast because the rain, but yeah. Especially with these, not these tires, but especially with tires going bald and stuff. Well, other than that, that's it for the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it, and your boy CJ out. Psych! What's up, we back. I thought I was gonna end the video off right there, but it's the next day. It's a little dry out here. It's not raining, but it is cold. Like, it's freezing out here. But we finna get the Mustang going. We finna try the tires out. For some reason, like, this front tire looks so small to be a 275. Like, bro. And my 305 looks smaller too. I don't know what it is. But both of these look very, very small. I don't know. Maybe it's because I ain't driven on them. However you say it. Drive on them yet. I don't know. It's weird. It looks tiny. But we're finna get this drive in. And yeah. Alright, go ahead and start it up. It's so cold, my car didn't even want to start, bro. But yeah, we're finna get this drive going. Let the car warm up for a minute. And if y'all got video ideas, make sure to have them in the comments. Leave those in the comments for sure. Alright, I'm turning it back on the camera. I mean, the car warms up. Alright, trying to get the car a little warm. The tires warm at least, but the road, it's so cold out here, bro. Like, I let my car sit for a minute. It did not want to warm up, bro. Make sure y'all stay tuned, though. I'm dropping another video over a car meet. I'm probably gonna go there today, so it should be after this one, so just stay tuned. I don't know which car I'm gonna bring though. I'm probably gonna end up bringing the M3. When I get a straightaway, I'm probably gonna do a pull right quick. It's hooking way better now though. We like on the back road now. Get more pulls in. But yeah, this is the first time I just changed the front tires. Like I've been running with the Pirellis since I got the car, so they've been holding up for like 2 years. But yeah, they were bald too though, and I wouldn't even like slide my car like that. I only burnt out really that one time and like a few times when I lost traction when I was road racing. But that's like the low RPMs. And they building the house over there. Alright, the road empty. I'm finna just go ahead and get this pull going. Alright. Tires a little cold. They're not really gripping up like that, but get like a 40 road going. When I get this straightaway on this hill, I'm gonna do the 40 road. Oh yeah, they hooking up good. Gotta give me a race going soon, bro. I could really line it up with SS right now. I gotta let this car pass. Whenever they pass me, I got a good stretch of road. Go ahead and hit it right here. Do one more 40. 40 pull. I'll do a 50. Bet. For downshift. Oh, yeah, it's pulling. Got a little bumpy right there. But yeah, the car is running with these new tires, though. I gotta save some of these for a race. Definitely. Bro, when I get my exhaust set up right, the way I want it, this car is gonna be a rocket. I just gotta make sure my roll's like at 60. But we finna time this one right here. Get a 60 roll going. Like most of my races gonna be at 60. Probably gonna go 60 to 120. Well, no, I think it's 60 to 100. I forgot the times or however you check it. I think it's 60 to 120 though. I'm gonna put a timer down, so get ready. Get this downshift going. There's a curve up there though. Gotta wait. Bro, when spring come around, my car is gonna be right. I'm thinking about lowering springs. I'm probably gonna go ahead and pull the trigger on getting the lowering springs. I'm probably just finna get the Steeda lowering springs. Probably do that little project, get that knocked out. Car is running, bro. Whenever I got new tires, this Mustang is probably pushing out probably a 0 to 60 in probably like 4 seconds, I think. If I get my like takeoff right. I'm running. I'm gonna do one last pull in like drag mode though. I forgot to do that. But when we get this straight away, I'm gonna do it in that. Definitely gotta get this pull and drag. If I get a big hill, I'm gonna just do it on that one. Cause I be forgetting every time I race to put the car in drag mode. Like, it's like I don't get a race for so often that like I forget. I don't know how that keep happening. And then when I was doing my burnouts, bruh, I forgot to what's the name? I forgot that I was supposed to put the car in manual, so I was just flooring it. So that's pretty much how that went down. Yeah, this gonna be the best road for it. Get this drag mode going. Get this 40 roll. Shifts way harder in that mode. Alright, that's it for the car today. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, turn post notifications on, and make sure y'all stay tuned for more. Your boy CJ out.
My head, the voices keep me calm.